Thomas and I'm making a Lego dress. And, okay, so I'm doing this girl. I don't know what her name is. So first I'm going to have to take off her head. No. And raise her arms.
Raise them like she just don't care. Here we go. Here we go.
I have to put her feet in this. You have to round it. Okay, so you just do this. Okay, so, no wait, you have to do that in the back so it doesn't really show. So you have to rip it off the back because like I accidentally put too much on it. Okay, so there, then you can put her arms down. Okay, then you can do like little design, like little dots. That's what I'm doing. Putting little dots on here. Okay, so just roll up the yellow, whatever color you want. Okay, and then you can put back her head.
Ah!
And
Her hair.
It kind of looks weird,
I'm gonna get a close up here.
but
Oh, I like it.
good for a Lego person.
Very good.
Hey, my beep beep!
Say, talk to you next time.
Talk to you next time.